Good morning, children. Welcome to our class, Amma. Now, what is our third lesson? Food. Now I will continue this lesson. Energy food can be classified according to their functions. How many are there, Amma? Energy giving foods, body building foods, protective and regularity. What is that? Energy giving foods, body building foods and protective and regularity. Energy giving foods. Energy giving foods keep us supplied with energy and is typically carbohydrates. Food such as bread, potatoes, rice and sugar contains a lot of carbohydrates. So what is the energy giving foods, Amma? Energy giving foods contain carbohydrates. It's containing what type? Carbohydrates. Where it is in carbohydrates? In which types of food in carbohydrates, Amma? Potatoes, milk, bread, rice, sugar. These all are having heavy content or more content of carbohydrates. These carbohydrates are giving energy. We should eat them every day. These are we should eat every day. Now, fat gives more energy than carbohydrates. Fats are stored under the skin. Our body needs favor for fats than carbohydrates. These carbohydrates giving fats. So, these fats are giving carbohydrates. Okay. Now, where it is stored, Amma, these fats are stored in under the skin. This is our skin. These under the skin store the not carbohydrates, fats. The skin under store the fats. Body building foods. Next one is what? Body building foods. The body building food is designed to build muscles and reduce body fat. What is that? This body building food. First one is what? Energy giving food. Now next one, body building food. This body building food is designed to build our muscles. So yes, we having some muscles. So these muscles, who's that formed, Amma? These muscles formed or the body building is designed to build muscles and reduce body fat. Fat is there, that is reduce the body fat. Now it is has food high in proteins and complex carbohydrates. What is the this is the high in proteins. This bodybuilding food high in proteins and carbohydrates such as whole grain bread, pasta and cereal. What is that? Pasta, cereal, grain bread, milk, meat, fish, cheese, egg, pulses, beans and peas are rich in proteins. What is the whatever main proteins, Amma? Milk, meat, fish, chicken, cheese, beans, peas. These are having proteins. These are in proteins. These proteins are having body building food and this is designed of muscles. Okay, next protective and regularity foods. Protective and regularity foods are micronutrients, minerals and vitamins that play an important role in fighting diseases and regulate the metabolic functions of the body. What is it? This protective food are micronutrients. These micronutrients reduce the diseases. So I mean this protective food means this having micronutrients. These micronutrients reduce our diseases. For example, మీకు ఫీవర్ వచ్చినా లేకుంటే సమ్ డిసీజెస్ ఏదో ఒక డిసీజ్ వచ్చినా ఈ మైక్రోన్యూట్రియంట్స్ అనేవి దాన్ని జలుబుని కానీ ఫీవర్ని కానీ రిమైనింగ్ ఇంకేమైనా వచ్చిందనుకోండి దాని నుండి రెడ్యూస్ చేసేసి ఐ మీన్ మన బాడీకి ప్రొటెక్టివ్గా ఉంటాయి. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? Metabolic function of the body. Now next, these are fighting to diseases. So మన బాడీలో ఉన్న డిసీజ్ తోటి ఇవి ఫైట్ చేస్తాయి. What is that? protective food. What is the protective food? These are having micronutrients. Okay. Now, so you need micronutrients. Which type of food or which kind of food you will eat? Let's see. Fruits, green leafy vegetables, milk and eggs are rich in vitamins and minerals. They give as iron which forms blood. What is that? Fruits, green leaves, vegetables and eggs. These are good for health. We eat more, and these are gives has fresh blood for fresh blood for our body, and it gives has iron also. Okay, these are all you will eat. Your body is very fit from diseases. Okay, these are all protective food or regulatory food. Now, good food is a basic need of your human body. Good food is a basic need. That is a basic need. No, for example, you live and you bratakalante, you need food. Must and should, you need good food, not food, good food. It is of prime importance in the attainment of normal growth and development. The role of nutrition food cannot be neglected in the promotion of health and prevention of diseases. The human body can be compared to the machine. Just as engine burns up coal or oil in order to generate its energy, so the human body requires food in order to reduce forces which keep the heart beating, the lungs breathing and the limbs moving. What is that? Our body is like a machine. So మన machine లో ఆయిల్స్ కానీ కోల్స్ కానీ వేస్తేనే it's running. So it's running and giving energy, it's moving and the doing that work. Same like that, our body also one of the machine. So మనం ఫుడ్ ఇస్తేనే energy వస్తుంది. Food gives us energy. So that is good food, not like that, only good food. Okay, only you will give to body good food, that is give as energy. It's do work perfect, otherwise not perfect, because heart beating, keep the heart beating and the lungs breathing, the limbs moving. Okay, now next one, kinds of food. In which types of kinds? Next one, kinds of food. What are the popular food of each state in India? India is Federal Union of 30 states and 7 territories. How many states, 30 states and 7 territories. Food of each state is influenced by the neighboring state, the geographically climate and culture. So, ఒక్కొక్క స్టేట్ కు ఒక్కొక్క టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఫుడ్ అనేది you will eat. We will eat in different states different food, because that's depending on neighboring states or culture, climate. It's totally depend on cultural and climate. Now, Indian food is different from rest of the world, not only in taste but also in cooking methods. It reflects a perfect blend of various cultures and ages. Just like Indian culture, food in India has also been influenced by various civilizations which have contributed to the share unity overall development and present from. Okay. Now, food for better, known as its spices throughout India, being North India and South India. Spices are used generally in food, but one must forget that every single spice used in Indian dishes carries some of other nutritional as well as medical properties. What is that? In Indian food is a very tasty food. Not only in taste, it cooking also, making cooking also. It's some of the different to other countries, and it is a North India and South India. We are using very hot hot dishes, and means carry some of that. Okay, not spice, it's very spice in our Indian food. Okay, this is also medical properties. Now, next, first one, North Indian food. Food in the North India to begin with, the Kashmir cuisines reflect strong Central Asian influence. In Kashmir, mostly all the dishes are prepared around the main course of rice found abundantly in beautiful valley. Another delicious item cooked for the sag that is prepared with a green leafy vegetable as known as hack. What is that? In North Indian food in Kashmir is a very what is the sag? Sag is the a different food in a North Indian food. It's preparing with a leafy vegetable. But another hand states like Punjab, Haryana and Uttar Pradesh show high consumption of chapatis as stable food. What is that? In other countries like Punjab and Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, those are having eating chapati. Okay, this chapati is a variety flour of sweet food. Now, okay, rice, maida, besan, etc. Besides chapatis, other closely related breads baked in these religions include tandoori, rumali and naan, etc. However, in the northern region, impact of Mughal food is quite obvious. So, we are preparing tandoori, rumali and naan breads also. These are the North Indian food. This is the which kind of food, Amma? North Indian food. Next, Amma, in next class I will explain East Indian food and West Indian food, South Indian food. Okay, children. Thank you. Bye.